Ah, what a beautiful day. Let's go outside and check. Wait, what is that thing? Let's see it. Oh, it's a vending machine. The stuff they give. 1 diamond. I don't know who made this. Let's just put in diamond here. Oh man, I only have 7 diamonds. OMG 67 is everywhere. I hope I don't get scammed.
Oh, I think there is a customer there. She gave me 1 diamond. Get out from my store, villager. What you need?
Oh, he sends something. What you need? I need that totem, so I can't die. Let me type him.
The cost Omer needs a totem. This is my bed and my chest. Here is the totem. Let me give it to her.
He actually give me totem. Now I'm safe. Like and subscribe to Frosty.